German carmaker Mercedes-Benz has flaunted an amazing new component of its impending EQG and all-electric adaptation of its exceptional G-Wagon wilderness romper. The move, which the brand is calling G-Turn, permits the enormous vehicle to twirl around its own hub in a real sense. A video of the component shows a truck kick up a vortex of residue as it crushes its four wheels into a soil track. The EQG pulls off the stunt utilizing its quad-engine powertrain, which permits it to apply force to every one of its four wheels freely, with different sides moving in inverse bearings, subsequently making it turn, similar as a tactical tank. It's seemingly a significantly more amazing demo than US carmaker GMC's Crab Mode, which empowers its all-electric Hummer EV to drive askew. One more benefit electric vehicles can have over their internal combustion partners. The EQG wouldn't really be the principal electric truck to have the option to pull off such a trick. EV startup Rivian flaunted a comparative tank turn back in 2019. It's muddled in the event that the EQG can really pull off the trick when it's on a harder surface like blacktop. What's more, moving its wheels this way and that will undoubtedly be quite hard on tires. We actually don't have the foggiest idea about a truckload about Mercedes' new rough terrain driver. It's set to go discounted in 2024, and is reputed to begin at around the $150,000 mark, as per Car and Driver. The electric truck market is truly beginning to warm up, with various enormous brands sloping up the publicity for their impending vehicles, and in that undeniably jam-packed market, it might take a few stunts like this one to separate any one contribution.